Guys, so we're back. We're gonna get started on the downpipe and maybe some intercooler stuff. I went ahead and used some old exhaust piping that I had off another car. So that's basically how the downpipe is gonna look. I'm gonna tack weld it and then remove this whole thing and weld it. Check out that shitty weld job. All right guys, so check it out. I got the downpipe all welded up and sanded, ready for paint. All painted up. Same paint as what's on the header. This is what I used, VHT. All right, so I said I wanted to do an intercooler, but I think I'm gonna do this 90 and then put a 90 like silicone coupler and eventually put a intercooler on, but this is how I'm gonna rock it for now. I also got the wastegate in today, so we're gonna unbox that and check it out. So I got this one from CB Performance and it's the Ultra Gate 38. Here it is. Hardware, some gaskets, and it comes with like a flange thing. I think that might be a valve seat. All right, so let's go install it. All right, so now we're putting it on with the valve seat, gasket, and the supplied hardware. All right guys, so there's the wastegate installed. So now we're gonna move on to the charge pipe. All right, so this is the exact vision I had. I just gotta add some more piping on this side, and that's pretty much what it'll look like until I get the intercooler set up. All right guys, so I got everything hooked up, but I had to pull the engine out because stock throttle bearing didn't like me dropping the clutch under boost. So here's the turbo and the header, but it ran great. It pulled hard, it sounded great. That engine definitely needed the boost, especially with that Engel TCS 10 cam that it has. Here's the throttle bearing. See, it kind of messed up right there. It still spins, but it's got some heat rash or whatever you want to call it on there. But we're gonna order a new one, throw the engine back in, everything in, and actually record it under boost. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.